What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger haul. Today, you guys, this haul we have going on is massive. I have over $400 worth of Tommy Hilfiger stuff in this bag. Most of it is actually summer related. Right now, Tommy stores are having a huge sale of their summer items. So we're about like halfway through summer and I feel like I still need some more pieces. So I stocked up. Today's gonna be a very fun haul, guys. Hopefully you're into this little hangout sesh. Grab yourself a snack, perhaps a monster, and keep on watching. We have so much to get through, so I'm gonna make this haul as fast and as fun as possible. But first, you guys, let's acknowledge this outfit. I'm wearing some distressed jeans, the knees exposed. I got this beautiful green, this emerald green, this leprechaun moment going on here, Tommy jean shirt, and this blue bandana. I feel like this is definitely a vibe that I've been obsessed with. I rocked another look very similar to this with a like nude colored shirt and red bandana. So I'm gonna keep up this trend, and I'm dedicating this as my Tommy urban look. How do you feel about this? Tell me the truth, be honest. Read me in the comment section if you must. Actually, I'm asking too, so just please do it. So let's get to the haul. Let's get to the fun part. I have so many things in here, you guys. The sale was insane. It was like 40% off a lot of these summer stuff. And there was like racks of like things for $14.99. Of course, I didn't vlog because you're not allowed to vlog at Tommy Hilfiger stores. As you've seen in one of my most recent videos, I was kind of like kicked out of a Tommy Hilfiger for filming. She told me not to film and made my experience completely awkward while shopping afterwards. So I'm saying I was kicked out because I was also kind of harassed during the experience. I have a whole video dedicated to like a story time of me talking about it. Anywho, no more vlogging at Tommy Hilfiger's, unfortunately. And I actually did go to my local Tommy. So I asked the associate there, which was the manager, and she's like, unfortunately, we're not allowed to vlog or anything like that. It sucks, but it's just one of our rules, and you just gotta respect it. So we can't do that. So anyway, I'm sorry for the little tangent there, but let's get into the bag here. I'm not gonna go in order of anything in particular. I'm just gonna go by like what's on the top of the bag. So first thing is, we have a Tommy Hilfiger button down. This is kind of like a jean button down-esque, but I'm loving this color. I'm obsessed with like earth tones. And this green, kind of like hunter green moment, is beautiful. It's very simple, and it is a size large. I love my things a little oversized. Some things are like fitted, but for the most part, like outerwear and like button downs, I like them to be a little bit more loose. So this is simple. The only Tommy type of logo on this is the pocket right there that has a Tommy logo. Other than that, it's very basic, very minimal, and I appreciate that. So this is gonna be a great piece for the fall because I feel like that color, it's timeless for any season, but for the fall, I love green. So we got that. I also have the same shirt I'm wearing right now in powder blue. You guys, I am obsessed. This is probably one of my favorite colors. It's like powder blue moment, and I'm obsessed. Is this the same shirt? No, okay, it's just similar. So I do have this shirt in the one I was mentioning before of me like in a picture. I believe this is the same. Yeah, this is the same. So I'm gonna have to fold that later. But anywho, same shirt as that, but in baby blue. Very simple, just Tommy jeans with the logo in the middle of it. Love this, $14.99. And the thing is, with the Hilfiger Club, I received 25% off my entire purchase. And that was like a 4th of July special, so shook. Insane deal, probably one of the best deals I ever received at Tommy, so flip it. Next up, we have one of my favorite pieces out of this entire haul. This is a Tommy Hilfiger short sleeve button down, but it's this hippie-esque type of prints. There's daisies, there's dandelions, there's tropical plants. The colors are beautiful, and I needed this in my collection, and I need this for my vacation coming up. So the fabric is not silky. This is more like a cotton, but it's a loose cotton. So I don't like those stiff short sleeve button downs. I'm sure you guys are picturing this too, but like those very like dad style button downs that just have no form to them and they're boring. This one is more loose and definitely I feel like it's going to be beautiful. Now this is a medium. They didn't have a large in this, but I needed it that bad. So originally this was 60 bucks, but I got it for a good deal. So there is a Tommy logo right there, right in the front. And then on the back, I love this. There's like a hook moment where it's the Tommy logo. Did you see that? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. It is right there. I love it. I love that so much. I feel like that's a really cool, like small detail that goes a long way. And in between like some of the flowers and stuff, it says like Tommy jeans. Let me find one of those. Oh, like right here. It says Tommy jeans right there next to 𝗬flowers. But this is a really sick piece and I feel like it's super unique. So I love this. And I think this is already kind of big. So medium, I wasn't too like weirded out by getting. So love that. Next up, just like that powder blue, baby blue shirts. I have the same one, but in gray. And I needed this because it was $14.99 again with the sale. And I love gray. Gray is probably one of my favorite colors to wear. Gray is like just one of those colors I feel like if you have blue eyes, it just makes them pop. So it's a blessing for me. So I love gray, but this is a really cool shirt. Basic, simple, and I'm gonna rock a bandana with that too and create a look for you guys. So stay tuned. Next up we have, I got something from the Tommy Hilfiger Pride collection for 2021. I wasn't too impressed with the collection this year, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I didn't do like a haul or anything. But I did get this tank top and I'm liking how it is rainbow. We got the Pride colors, not just rainbow, but we also have the brown and the black, which is amazing to support the entire Pride moment and movement. And it's just a sick shirt. This is a tank. We got everything outlined in a gold. So I like how it's accented and it is simple. Got a large. And this was actually on sale because I got this after Pride month. So they marked it down pretty well. Then got the discount on top of that. A cool feature about the Pride collection, Tommy actually has a custom tag for all the Pride pieces. So as you can see, the rainbow is on the bottom of the Tommy Hilfiger tag. So I love that. And I appreciate just small details like this, especially for something as important as Pride. And that's beautiful. So we preach. Next up, we have, I got a polo. I have an obsession with these style polos. The ones that Tommy has that have the Tommy logo right around the collar and also on the cuffed sleeves. But this one's just kind of basic. It's I feel like a necessity for your wardrobe for a formal-esque type of day. And it's a medium. I do like my polos to be a medium because I like them to be a little bit more fitted. Of course, if you have the bod for that, but there's a pool in this. Are you freaking damn kidding me? So I got this on the clearance rack and yeah, there's a pool like right in the front. I don't think, could you see that? It's right there. I'm not sure if the clearance stuff is returnable or refundable, but I didn't notice that. I'm not even sure if you guys can see it. It's not that bad, but it's there. I can notice it. $14.99 marked down, not too bad, but I love that color. I like that olive style color. Again, that's good for any time, but especially I feel like going into like end of summer, fall, great color. Next up, we have another button down, and this is just like a jean style button down, but I think it's cotton. I don't think this is actually jean material. It looks like jean, but it definitely doesn't feel like it, which I guess is good because jean is not comfortable on the skin to begin with. So yeah, loving that. This is obviously Tommy. There's no pocket on the front. It just has the Tommy Hilfiger logo right there. Very simple. Nothing is on the back, but I just really wanted to add this to my collection because I feel like this is a staple piece. I mean, this, with only wearing this shirt or this opened up with like maybe a Tommy t-shirt underneath or a waffle tank top is kind of cool. So you could dress this up in many different ways. Make it formal, make it fun, make it funky, make it you. I can do a lot with this shirt, so I needed it. Next up, we have two beautiful pieces, you guys. I feel like these are something that's going to be amazing for the summer. And as you know, I've been obsessed with the Tommy Hilfiger Pastel capsule. The Pastel Crush is probably my favorite Tommy Hilfiger capsule of 2021 so far. So this is definitely giving me that vibe and I needed these. So we have this button down right here, which they are still intact from the store. I don't know what the heck you call these clips, but they are flipped up. We got some stuff in right there. But look at this shirt, you guys. How freaking beautiful are these colors? So it's not too pastel-y. Oh, it is. I love it. I love anything that has like muted colors to it. There's something that's like very preppy and yuppie and just, I don't know, aesthetic to me. So we have the Tommy Hilfiger logo right there. Got a size large, of course. Nothing is on the back, but we do have a really cool moment right here again with a Tommy logoed hook. Loving that. And originally this was actually $60, so it wasn't too bad to get a little bit of a deal on it, and I love. There's actually one more that I love more than this, and brace yourself, because when I seen this, I was like, I don't care if you're even on sale. I need to get you. I need you in my collection. So it is this moment right here. How beautiful is this? She's hooked on phonics together. How freaking sick. I love this. So the blue is kind of what sold me. I'm loving the pink and the yellow, and we have that green, a little bit of white there, but this is just honestly a gorgeous piece. And we have the same type of moment on the back with the logoed hook right there. And this is insane. Honestly, I feel like this is gonna be one of those Tommy Hilfiger pieces that goes down in history, only because it's rare when Tommy comes out with pastel stuff. Hence why there was just a capsule created for this year, because there's not many Tommy Hilfiger pastel unisex pieces. So I freaking love that. And this is, I dare to say, maybe my favorite piece out of this entire haul. Now we do actually have one more thing in here, and this is something that the moment that I seen it, I needed it. I needed it. There was no turning back. There was no ifs, ands, or buts. It was something that I cannot live my life without. So we have a pair of Tommy Hilfiger slides in this box. Let's unveil it right now. And this is one that is unique. So there's Tommy slides everywhere. You could find them at Macy's, you could find them at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, you could find them at Burlington, you can find them on the Tommy store or online, but it's rare when you can find some that are actually unique. So this one really is a moment. They're black, as you can see, which is kind of rare for Tommy slides. This is the bottom. We're gonna start there. That is the bottom. Very simple, just says Hilfiger right there. And the front, you guys, it is black, gray, white. It is a black and white Tommy Hilfiger moment for a slide. I'm just loving how like futuristic these kind of look. I don't know what it is about it, but these just look very minimal and outside of Tommy's comfort zone. Like I don't see Tommy creating pieces like this very often, or maybe I don't catch them fast enough when they're on sale or in store, but this is just something that really stood out to me. So I freaking love this. I love the front, how it's just the Tommy logo, but not the Tommy colors. And you know it's Tommy Hilfiger because you could just see the Tommy flag right there, but it's not Tommy Hilfiger. So mind blown, love this, and I'm super pumped about this entire Tommy Hilfiger haul, you guys. This has been a blast. I went shopping with my partner. We probably spend maybe like an hour total in the store. Unfortunately, we weren't allowed to try anything on just yet. You know, they're getting things together with the pandemic. It was my first time going into a Tommy without a mask on since the pandemic, and I was a little shook. It was a little weird to, you know, be shopping without a mask at my favorite store. So it's a feeling that I definitely took advantage of, because before with the pandemic and everything, I was speeding through the store and, you know, just kind of like rushing because you're wearing a mask. I'm excited. My adrenaline is going. There's a rush because I'm in my favorite store, and I just kind of like didn't take my time shopping. So this time, no mask, and just really with the sales and stuff, I was like, we're gonna take our time, we're gonna go on a spree, and we're gonna have fun. So that's exactly what Gustavo and I did, and we had a blast. So cheers to that. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during today's Tommy Hilfiger haul. I hope you enjoyed this experience because I love sharing things that I'm adding to my Tommy Hilfiger collection. There's a lot more to come, and I'm feeling pretty good recently about creating content, and just I'm feeling a little better about the headspace that I'm in. So this has just been a very fun experience. If you enjoyed this video though, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. That is super important. It means you'll be notified when I upload a new video. My personal Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏𝗧 if you want to follow me in there as well. Also, do not forget, it's super important to follow the House of Hilfiger, which is my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger Instagram page. I'll link everything down below. This is a page where I share my entire Tommy Hilfiger collection, some vintage pieces, new products that are coming out, stuff that I want. And if you do tag House of Hilfiger or hashtag House of Hilfiger, I'd be happy to feature you on the page as well. So do not forget that. All right, guys, we're gonna end this video. Thank you so much again. And until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.